It's FDM Friday? Yeah, it is. Today we're gonna be going over some spooky 3D print ideas. If you've never heard of Thingiverse, it's a great website where you can find so many print ideas. Just type in Halloween and you'll get a bunch of stuff. I took it upon myself because I'm so nice and kind to do some scrolling and found some favorites that I want to share. Number one, we have a bird, specifically a crow, but a bird. Imagine putting that like on your friend's desk and scaring the crap out of them. Speaking of scaring somebody at their desk, this one also perfect for that. So good. Honestly, it was a little eerie just looking at it online. This skull lamp, super cool. Honestly, I love the hexagon pattern that it puts on the wall. That's like the best part. Also, kind of in the lamp category, jack-o'-lanterns? And they won't get old? There's a lot of these on Thingiverse, actually. Especially, there was one that had, you could like switch out the faces. Definitely a good idea. This one's so cute. Look at the little guy. I love keychains, and this is adorable. I know we're going spooky, but like, come on. Who doesn't love baking cookies when you can print your own shapes? There's also a lot of these. This was just one of them. Cauldron for candy bowl. There's also skull heads as a candy bowl. There's a lot of candy bowls. But the cauldron is cool. Also, these ones, I love that they were resin printed, but look at these little guys. So adorable. You can also make them bigger and put them in your garden. Adorbs. Coming in number 9, almost done. We have a bone crown. So nice. And number 10, the last one, this super funny little floppy jointed skeleton. You could make him big and hang it on your front of your door, or you could make him tiny and put him on your keys. I don't care what you do with it. It's fun, and I'm sure if you do this with him, and it'll be like wow, wow, wow. While we're on the topic of bones though, did you guys know you could actually find real 3D scans of real skulls that they excavated? Ancient skeleton. You can print one and just have it. Those might not be on Thingiverse, but they do have those on like actual archaeological websites and stuff. So that is all I pulled off and wanted to show, but there's so many more on Thingiverse. Go to Thingiverse and just scroll. You can scroll for hours. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye.